Agent, this is Command. This train is about to arrive at the incident site. Before we get there, we'll need to go over your new teleportation ability. Hold down the teleport button to boot up, then look around for a teleportation portal. Notice when you hold the button to teleport, the world also slows down. Try it one more time by teleporting to the doors. Alright, that's how you teleport. You see that weapon in the next car? Teleport forward and grab those guns. If a weapon is highlighted, you can grab it from a distance. Now try to shoot the targets as they appear. Nice shot. Well placed. Teleport ahead to grab a better weapon. The enemy has found you. Take him out. We are now pulling into the rail station. Be alert. The enemy will be waiting for you. Take them out as you see fit. Good luck, Agent.
Entering Sim 1 station. Please exit the train in an orderly fashion. Have a nice day.
Freeze!
You can grab and throw bullets. Agent, we are picking up a massive energy surge in the area. Use caution. Grab rockets and aim them at the enemy. Simulation complete. Well done, Agent.